Hey guys, good morning. Guys, if you can see my screen, just type S in the chat box. Great. So let's get started, guys, with the continuation of the XPath expressions, the main important topic that we are going to see today, that is in the XPath expressions. So I need to open the Telegram group and then I'll open the notes, guys. Just wait. So here are the notes, and we are here. We completed XPath functions yesterday. Now we are moving on to the XPath axis today. Okay. XPath axis is the concept. So you all know that why XPath expressions are powerful than any other locator types, right? What is the reason why XPath expressions are powerful than any other locator types we have? Can anyone say? Yes. Renika, you are right. PN also you are right. XPath axis is the reason behind. Okay. Why XPath expressions are kind of powerful when compared to other locator types we generally use for helping Selenium in locating the elements, right? So powerful in the sense XPath expressions can locate almost all elements when compared to other locator types. XPath expressions can locate almost all elements. The reason behind the XPath expressions having such kind of power of locating almost all elements is because of the XPath axis. That is what I am going to cover today. Do you think this particular topic is very important or not? You see, this is the topic behind XPath expressions for making it powerful than any other locators. Just think how much focus you have to put into the XPath axis, right? This is very important topic. XPath axis is a very important topic, okay, which segregates XPath out of all the located types because it has the power of locating almost all elements, okay? So it will make the XPath expressions locate almost all all elements. So XPath axis is that much important concept because of which, okay, fine. So let's get started with the practical demonstration. First understand guys, okay, why XPath axis and all those stuff, okay. We are going to take this link that is omaya.blogspot.com link. Purpose, if you want to locate an element which doesn't have a proper ID, name or class, etc., with the help of XPath axis, we can locate such elements not having that kind of ID, name, class with the help of ID, name, class attributes of their ancestor, descendants, etc. So this line you may not be understanding when you read, but let me explain what exactly that means. Okay. So I'll make it easy for you guys. Just give me a second. Okay. Let me open Paint and explain that. System has become a bit slow. That's okay. Okay, guys. So let's say there is a page. On this page, let's say there is a button. Assume that there is a button, guys. We have to locate this button. We have to locate this button using some locator. But unfortunately, this particular button doesn't have proper ID, name, class name, etc. to create a proper direct locator for locating this button. Then what we do is we take the help of the elements which are near and dear to this element. Okay, there may be some elements nearby this button, right? This element can be a parent, this element can be a grandparent, this element can be a child of this button, this element can be a grandchild, this may be, it can be a sibling, this can be a sibling, like that. Okay, there are different characters here: parent, grandparent, child, grandchild, siblings, etc. Okay, sibling which is coming before this is a elderly sibling. Okay, younger sibling, kind of stuff you just imagine. Okay, so like that in HTML we have parent tag, child tag, sibling tags, like elder sibling tags, younger sibling tags, right? Grandparents, grandchildren, like that, many things are there. Assume that this particular button, I'm not, due to some XYZ reasons, I'm not able to locate this directly. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to find one of the relation of this particular button, like a grandparent or something. And because it can be located properly, using the XPath expression, first I'll locate the grandparent, and with the help of grandparent, I'll indirectly locate the button. I'm not directly locating the button here, guys. Okay, with the help of the grandparent or grandchild or parent or child, indirectly I'm locating this button, not directly. Okay, because if I directly locate the button with the XPath expression, I'm not getting confidence that I have created a proper XPath expression, or I'm not confident enough in that XPath expression, the proper XPath expression that I have written for locating this button. So instead, what I'm doing in such kind of cases is I'm locating the grandparent, grandchild, child, okay, parent, elder sibling or younger sibling first, and then with the help of them, I'm locating this button. Indirectly, I'm locating this button because I'm not getting confidence in directly locating this particular buttons, for example's sake. Is it clear, guys? Why XPath access is required is clear for you?
Sir, hello.
Yeah, please ask.
Uh, Yeah, sir. Sir, in these days, sir, in industry, sir, like I have seen two projects, sir, right, in my company.
Hmm.
One was in basically Cypress, and one was in like Selenium, sir. And
Hmm.
so these days, sir, now they are more focusing on, sir, CSS, like to take XPath, or not CSS selectors. Sir. They are saying that XPath is slow, and but see, compared to XPath CSS is a bit difficult also if you traverse also, sir.
Uh-huh. Okay, okay.
Uh,
Yeah,
uh,
that's what your company follows, right? Whenever you see some I'm not saying that you directly have to go with XPath. I'm not going to join the debate whether to use CSS or XPath. If your company says so, okay, if your
hmm,
company
hmm,
says so, change your decision. You give the priority to CSS only. I'm saying both CSS and XPath are at the same level now. I'm not saying that XPath you have to use before CS. I'm not saying that or claiming that. Okay,
okay.
it depends on your project that you are working. Even I have went through some projects where they were preferring XPath over CSS, and there were some projects
Hmm,
where they are preferring CSS over XPath, and no one is having the clarity or track of why they are using that. The speed
hmm,
of the XPath expression is not that much slow when compared to CSS selectors, a bit slow, but the notation, people of knowledge, right? So, and
hmm.
they will be our seniors. We can't do much about that. You understand, right?
Okay, sir.
You cannot
Okay, sir.
educate them also. You cannot educate them and, get into the debate saying that, okay, XPath is powerful, XPath is equally now. You cannot debate with them. So what you have to do at
Hmm,
that point of time is just because they are your seniors, and that is a
hmm,
process they are following from long time. Other to their processes, there is no harm in doing that. Okay, for this small thing, you don't have to go with a debate, I mean to say. Okay, so simply go with the CSS and then with XPath. If CSS is unable to do the stuff, then go with XPath. Okay,
yes, sir.
is
Okay,
that
sir.
clear?
Okay.
And one of the things that you mentioned is also right. When compared to the XPath expressions, the simplicity is there with the CSS selectors, right? The
Yeah.
simplified, okay, XPath expressions, you have to put an at the rate symbol before the attribute names, right? That kind of rules
Hmm,
are there. But in coming to the CSS selectors, at the rate symbol is not required before the attribute name. And also here there is some contains function. You remember yesterday I explained contains function in
yes, sir.
XPath,
Yeah.
where you
Yeah, sir.
don't have to use that much big function, right? There is a
So
simple,
without contain on all, it's difficult, right, to use CSS, sir.
which one?
No,
Without
without you yesterday taught us in I don't know how to use the replacement of contain in CSS and all.
ah,
Uh,
yeah, yeah.
uh,
But you are
but
saying that in your company they are preferring CSS over XPath, right?
yeah,
And
yeah, sir. This because these new tools are coming, right? Cypress and all those things. I
yes,
think
yes.
they are mostly everyone is using CSS only there in that.
Okay, okay, no problem. That's not a, you see, it depends on tools and all again. Okay, so if the tools are there and all those stuff, okay, it's out of the for Selenium.
Yeah,
If
sir.
you plainly talk about Selenium and the people got already habituated in your company to use CSS, it's okay to go with CSS. There is no, I'm not saying CSS
Okay.
is bad. Okay, whenever
Oh, yeah.
CSS cannot do the job, then definitely you have to come to XPath, right? It's the final savior that I mean to say. Okay, but
Thank you, sir. Okay.
personally, if you ask me, I'll prefer XPath over CSS. Okay, it doesn't mean that everyone have to follow the same thing. Everyone have their own. In that one project, they will prefer CSS over XPath. Okay, in one project, they will prefer XPath over CSS. Though doesn't matter. Okay, both are at the same
Yeah,
level.
but personally, I also like XPath only, but our seniors they are forcing us to
Yeah,
find out in
don't
CS.
worry about that. Go with CSS in that case. Okay.
Yeah,
Whatever
yeah,
your senior says, that is the final thing. Okay, so
yeah.
don't think too much about this. This is not a that much differentiator and all. CSS can also look at most of the elements. Maybe 0.05 or zero point 0.5 elements it cannot locate. In such cases, come to XPath as the last final savior. What's the matter, right? But the reason why you have to come to XPath when only way when CSS cannot do something, and then final reason for using XPath will be that XPath Axes only. Because of that only you have to come to XPath. Okay. But ultimately CSS is also almost powerful as XPath and bit faster than XPath. And simplification wise, simplified version of writing the locators, right? Again, I give the points to CSS only. Why? Because there we don't have to use the @ symbols before attributes, and for contains function, instead of that we have asterisk symbol here. Like that, many things are there. Okay, some shortcut symbols are there here. Okay, and if you want to locate with the help of id, you don't have to write big XPath expression that you have to write in XPath. In CSS, just say hash the id attribute value. That is done. Simplified version is there. Okay, so people prefer in that reasons. Everyone has their own preferences, right? Some people like MacBook, some people like Windows. We cannot debate on that, right? Why Mac is good and why Windows machine is good. Similar here also. Fine. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, don't worry about that. Okay. If CSS is being preferred in your projects, then go with CSS. No need to double think about that. Okay. But my duty is to explain both XPath, CSS. Whenever you get an opportunity in projects where XPath is preferred, use XPath. Whenever in your projects in real time, you have to take the, you should not worry about the theory and stuff that I am teaching here. Whatever that follows in your project, yeah, that you have to follow without debating much. Fine. Okay. But personally, I feel XPath is good. Fine. Anyhow, this concept is clear for everyone. There's a good discussion anyhow. Like some projects they go with XPath, and some projects they go with CSS and what to do and all. That real time feel is also important as part of discussion, and hope I cleared your doubt. So is everyone clear with this concept of XPath axis now? Why we have to go with XPath axis in XPath expressions? If you're unable to locate this element directly, indirectly you are locating the element with the help of its ancestors, with the help of its parent, with the help of these grandchildren, children, elder siblings, younger siblings, etc., etc. Okay, that's why we use XPath axis. Simple, guys. Okay, if you understand this line, you will understand XPath axis. If you want to locate an element which doesn't have a proper XPath expression to locate it, then we'll go with the kind of elements, ancestor or descender tags, HTML tag, that is parent, grandparent, child, grandchild, sibling, elder sibling, younger sibling kind of elements. With the help of them, we'll locate the actual elements. Okay, that's where XPath access will come into picture. Fine. So it's very easy to understand. It's not that much difficult. So the first one is following sibling. Okay. First one is a following sibling. So I'll do one thing, guys. I will open up that. basic HTML page that I have created. So first I would like to explain there, and after that I would like to go with the complex applications. So here I have edited this yesterday. I'll just move it back and okay, let it be. Let it open. Let's open this one. We have this simple web page having the 6 paragraphs, right? Inspect this. We'll get the HTML code. Say Control F. First, I'll explain you about this particular thing following. Okay. Selects everything in the document after the closing tag of the current node. Okay. Okay. So what does it mean? I'll tell you. So here, if I go here and see the HTML code, here we have HTML, right? Guys, we have the HTML. I would like to locate the HTML first. So let's assume that it's all about assumptions that I'm going to put here before you to help you guys understand this. It's an assumption, first of all. Okay. The assumption here is, let's say there was a situation where I'm unable to locate the head tag properly. I'm not able to create a proper XPath. Assume that I'm not able to create a proper XPath for locating this head tag or head element, whatever you call. So what I decided is, with the help of HTML, I would like to locate this indirectly. But with the help of head tag's parent, that is HTML tag, I would like to locate this head because directly I'm not able to locate or create a proper XPath expression to locate this head tag. So first I locate the HTML. Let's say I succeeded in locating the HTML by creating a proper XPath. Assume that. Now with the help of the HTML, I would like to locate the head. So I'll go with something like slash following colon head. Is it locating? Is it locating, guys? Yes or no? No. The reason you have to understand here, it's very important. Focus here. Why this is not working? HTML is a parent of the head tag. Head and body are the children of the HTML. But where exactly the HTML is ending? Where exactly the HTML is ending? Here it is ending, right? The last line it is ending. After this last line, do you see anything following? The closing tag of the HTML is anything following? Do you see any header body after this closing tag of HTML? No, right? That's the reason it's not locating. What if I do something like this? With HTML, I cannot locate head with the help of following XPath axis. Following is one of the XPath axis. Here we have different XPath axis. You see, guys, there are different XPath axis like following, preceding, following sibling, preceding sibling, parent, child, ancestor, descendant. Like that, many XPath axis types are there. First one I am explaining. You just understand the rules and regulations of this following. So when you give a particular tag here, if you give /HTML slash following colon, you have to give double colon after the XPath axis, then it will start finding the element after this HTML tag, closing HTML tag. There is no head body after this. That's why we are not able to locate. What if I take a different example here? I'll go with /body, sorry, /head. Now, tell me guys, with the help of slash following colon, can I locate title? Tell me now. With this knowledge, you have to tell me. Can you see now? Sachin, can you see now? Okay. So just focus on this HTML, guys. Okay. /head slash following. Now tell me, guys, with the help of this following, can I locate the title? After head, I use following. Can I locate the title tag? Do you think can I locate the title tag? Why I cannot
No,
locate the title tag? A lot of people are saying still yes. The answer is no.
because title is enclosed between the head tags.
Yes. You see, if I have to locate the title tag should come after the closing head tag. Do you see any title tag after /head here? Anywhere? Body is there, P is there. After the closing of the head tag. Do you see title anywhere? No. How can you locate title then? Because we are using following XPath axis. It works somewhere where how it will find the elements after the head closing tag. If you see any title, it will locate. But we don't have any title tag. Title tag is before the head tag only, not following the slash head tag, right? So what is the answer now? Tell me, guys. Everyone tell me the answer. What is the answer? So tell me the answer. The answer is no, right? We cannot do that. We cannot do that. If I try to find title here, am I locating? Am I locating the title tag? No, it's not possible because title tag is not coming after the slash head tag. Okay. This you have to remember with the following tag. Following tag will start locating after the closing tag, of the element that you have provided before. Okay. What is following the closing head tag is the concept. This one is a lot of people get confused here, guys. Okay. That's the reason I am stressing out a lot on the following tag here. So you guys have to remember this. Fine. Good. Great. So now, but can I locate the body tag? I cannot locate title tag. Understand that because title is not coming after the slash head. I cannot locate. But can I locate the body tag? Yes, I should be able to locate the body tag. Why? Because after the slash head, body is following the slash head. So if I put body here, it is getting located, right? It's getting located. This is what is the funda, guys. Okay. Can I locate the paragraph tags? Can I locate all the paragraph tags? After slash head, paragraph tags are there or not? Yes. I should be able to locate the paragraph tags. You say total 6 paragraph tags got located. Why? After slash head, these paragraphs are coming or not? After following colon, you have to give the tag name that you want to locate. And that tag should come after the slash head. Clear? Clear, everyone? How the following XPath axis works is clear. So here, let's say you are unable to locate.
Arun,
Yeah.
here following means not only sibling, um, child of sibling also we can identify, right?
Yes.
Means as P.
Not about that. Simple rule is that after the closing tag of whatever you
Okay.
provided here, head tag, whatever comes, it will locate.
Okay. Okay.
It
Got it.
can be at any level, doesn't matter. Okay. It can be body, it can be paragraph, it can be any grandchild or whatever it is. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. It will locate everything, but the only thing is that it should come after the slash head. Okay. Clear?
Sir, why it
Yes.
landed
Yes.
on first actually?
If I put only P, here it's not landed on first. Here 6 elements are being located. Can you see that 1 of 6 is coming? All the paragraphs. Clear? It's not 1. It's 6 elements. And if I give P of 1, then only first one. If I give P of 2, it will take the second one. P of 3, third one. P of 4, fourth one. P of 5, fifth one. P of 6, sixth one. Sorry, sixth one. Okay, clear? If I give only P, it will locate all the 6 paragraphs. It's locating 1 of 6. That means 2 of 6, 3 of 6, 4 of 6. This XPath is locating multiple elements in that case. Okay?
Sir,
Clear?
one doubt, sir.
Yeah, please.
Sir, that after head you are putting single slash sign. So if I put
Yes.
double slash, what happen?
Doesn't matter. I don't think we generally, okay, it is working in the same way, but doesn't matter whether you put single or double, but it will start searching from there. Immediate child onwards, it will start searching. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay. Whether you put single or double doesn't matter here. Okay. Fine. If you give double also, it's working fine. Nah? You say body, it's working fine. If you say P, it's working fine. Doesn't matter whether you give single or double. Generally, people give single only, okay, in real time. Okay. But if you put double, there's no problem in that or no harm in that. Okay. So single, double, I'll explain later. There is a miscellaneous concept here that if you can see here, I'm going to cover the difference between why we have to use double forward slash in between the elements. Okay. This I'm going to explain later. For now, don't worry about that. Whether you give single or double, it is going to work for now. Okay. Is that fine? I'll explain about that double forward slash in between in a detailed manner later. Fine? How it works. Okay. So guys, now you are good. How the following works is clear for you, I guess, right? How the following works is clear for you. After the whatever the tag you provide here, after the closing tag of this particular mentioned tag, it can locate anything. It can be at the same level, it can be at the grandchild level, child level, doesn't matter. Okay, it can locate. Is everyone clear with this concept? Is everyone clear with this concept of following XPath Axes? So there are few XPath Axes that are confusing. One of such kind of XPath Axes is following, where selects everything in the document after the closing tag of the current node. This is what you need to remember. After the closing tag of the current node, whatever the tags elements that will come, it will locate. So double forward slash head slash following body. Does it locate? Yes, after the head body is coming, right? After the closing head tag, body tag is coming. So it will locate. So you can go with the complex page like Omayo, and you can locate that also there. Double slash body, div of one div, following div means what will happen. Any div that is coming after that, all the divs coming after this div tag, after the closing of this particular div tag. Okay, after the closing of this particular div tag, whatever the div tags are coming, that you can locate. For example, here I'll go here and say inspect. Just for an additional example, I'm taking this. So here, what is the XPath Axes double slash body? Directly, I'm going to double slash body. I'm saying double slash body slash. Then what else we are saying here? Slash div. Div means how many divs are coming here? If I give only div, here 5 divs are coming. In that first div I want. Okay, here first div, second div, third div. If you keep going, it will go like this. Okay, but I want to find the first div, so I'll just say first div. Let's assume this is an example only. Again, under this div, if you expand this div, again another div is there, right? I'll say slash div. Slash div. Okay. Now under this div is located. Now after this, if I say slash following, colon, if I say div, 312 divs are coming. 312, because after this div, after the closing of this particular div tag, so before this, which div is getting located? This div. Okay. After where is this particular div tag closing? In between this div also, the many script tags, div tags are there, but it will start searching for after the slash div tag. And here, this div is there, this div is there, this div is there, this div is there, this div is there. Under this, lot of other divs are there. So whatever that comes after the slash div, they will be located, guys. Slash following colon div. If I say all the divs which are coming, you see, the child divs, sub-child divs, everything will be located. Okay, clear? Clear with this, how it is locating the divs after that? If I say input, instead of div, if I say input, there are 35 inputs which are coming after this div tag. Okay, 35 inputs are coming. You see all the inputs which are coming under that. Like that, guys. Okay, so when this, you see, at the end of this XPath expression, we have this div tag, the closing of the div tag. After the closing of the div tag, whatever the input tags comes, that it will locate. Like that, you have to use. Clear? Clear with this, or any confusions still?
Once using it again in the same line, we can again follow the following.
I didn't get that. Once used, okay. You still want to continue that. After this, you want to go there.
After this, for example, after this, you came to some something you find out. Following, for example, some button you find out. After that, again, I want to traverse. So using following, I can use following again.
I'll say div of 1, let's say, because there will be a lot of divs, right? So I'll take only one div. Okay. Yes, still 2 elements are coming. Okay, 1 minute. I'll first locate this div. Div of 1. It's not working like this. 1 minute, guys. Double slash body slash div of 1. Okay, let me refresh this page once. Control F double slash body slash div 1 of 5 div of 1 1 of 2 is coming now. Div of 1 means somehow. Okay. Then slash div of 1 I'll say, let's say slash div of 1 I'll say. Only one element is there. Under this div, no other divs are there. But after this div and all, we have a lot of divs and all. If I say slash following colon div, 309 elements are coming. 309 elements are coming.
ये वीडियो ऑटोमोबाइल इंडस्ट्री पर बेस्ड होने वाली है.
Fine. So slash, again I'll say following colon div. Is it working? I gave two followings. That's what your question is, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You can use any number of XPath axes, okay, according to your requirements, okay? But I don't want to make this complex for others to understand. But the question for you, your question is that already have used one following. After that, can I use again following or some other XPath axes? You can definitely use it, okay? But it all depends on your requirement, okay? This is all I covered, guys. Now let's go with the next one. If everyone is clear with following, just type C in the chat box. We'll go with the next one, that is preceding. After the ending of the closing, this particular tag's closing tag, whatever that comes up, it can be located, okay? We just have to specify the diagram that we want to locate, fine? Okay, that is following. That is a confusing one out of all the XPath axes. That's why I took a lot of time here. But coming to the preceding, selects all the nodes that appear before the current node in the document, except what? Except, everyone type in the chat box, except what? Except which nodes? Ancestor nodes. Except ancestors, everything that comes before that tag can be located. But it should not be a grandparent. Ancestor means what? The meaning of ancestor is grandparent. Only ancestor means not only grandparent, parent also will come into picture. Parent and grandparents cannot be located, but remaining all can be located. I'll explain that. For example, I locate double slash P. So P of 1, let's say. P of 1. Okay. Double slash P of 1. Everyone knows this. It's locating this particular para. Now, can I locate body with the help of preceding slash preceding colon? Can I locate body? Tell me yes or no. Can I locate body? No. Why I cannot locate body? Because body is an ancestor or not, parent or grandparent. It comes into parent or grandparent category. So with preceding, before this P tag, preceding means before, right? Following means after. Preceding means before. Before this P tag, you can locate the stuff, but only the condition is they should not be either parent or grandparents. They should not be the ancestors. Then you can locate. They cannot be parent or grandparent. If I type body here, it will not be able to locate. Why? Because body is the immediate parent of the P tag. It cannot locate. But what if I say I would like to locate HTML? Can I locate HTML of this P tag? With the help of P preceding HTML, can I locate? It's a grandparent. Under HTML, under the body, we have P. It's a grandparent or not? We cannot locate. So HTML also we cannot locate. With the help of this P of 1, we cannot locate HTML. Then can we locate head? Now tell me, can we locate head? Yes or no? Can we locate head? Can we locate title? Think and answer. Are they? Is the head parent of this P tag? Is the title parent of this P tag? No, right? They're not. Head is not the direct parent of the P tag. Title is not the direct parent of the P tag or grandparent of the P tag. Then they can be located. They are coming before only, right? But they, you see, there are two conditions meeting with head and title tag. For example, if I take head tag with help of P, if I want to locate with preceding, I can locate head without any problem. Why? Because head is not the parent or grandparent and it's coming before the P tag. Before the starting of the P tag, head tag is coming or not? Yes. So I can locate. What about title? Title also I can locate. But HTML I cannot locate because HTML is the grandparent of the p tag. Under HTML we have body. Under the body we have p. Since it is a grandparent, even though it's coming before the p tag, we cannot locate. And coming to the body, I can locate? No, because body is the parent tag of the p tag, so we cannot locate. Now clear, guys, what can be located, what cannot be located with preceding. Anything that comes before the p tag can be located, but those things should not be the parent or grandparent of the p tag here in this example. Or any confusions here. This following and preceding, if you understand right, you will understand most of the stuff. Remaining things will be very easy, guys. Okay. Only things you have to understand is following and preceding. Remaining all are very easy. Now, answer it properly, guys. Okay. Now onwards, answer it properly. I'll ask you the questions related to following and preceding. So coming to the following tag. Coming to the following. Answer it. This is very important, guys, for you guys to remember. A lot of people confuse here. Coming to following. You see, I have written some double slash, some XYZ tag, and here say slash following. Colon, ABC tag, let's say. So, what is the mechanism here, guys? If after the closing of the XYZ tag, if I get ABC tag, can I locate? After the closing of the XYZ tag, if I get ABC tag, can I locate? Yes, right? But in other cases, let's say that's correct. You guys are right. Now, next question is, what if this ABC tag is not coming after this closing of the XYZ tag? Before the closing of the XYZ tag, ABC tag is there. In that case, is the following is able to locate ABC tag here? The answer is no. That proves that you understood following XPath Axes properly. Now coming to the preceding now. Okay, the question is all about preceding. Preceding. Coming to the preceding XPath Axes, the question here is, I'll give you the question. I'll say double forward slash, let's say P slash preceding colon HTML. Can it locate? Preceding means what? Before the starting tag of you see, before the starting tag of p tag, before the starting tag of the p tag, okay, it can locate, but it should not be either the grandparent or parent. It should not be its ancestor or immediate ancestor. Is HTML is the ancestor of this p tag? Is HTML ancestor of the p tag? So can it locate? Can it locate? No, it cannot locate. What if I give body here? Can it locate? The answer is no. Still it cannot. It cannot locate, guys. If you are saying yes, that's you are not understood the concept clearly. It cannot locate because body is the parent of the p tag. I told you, right? Anything that comes before the p tag, which is preceding the p tag, starting of the p tag, but it should not be the either the parent or grandparent. Here body is a parent of the p tag, so it will not locate. HTML is a grandparent of the p tag. Even though body and HTML comes before the starting of the p tag, it will not locate because body is the parent, HTML is the grandparent. What if I write head here? Is the head either the grandparent or parent of the p tag in any ways? No, head is not the parent or grandparent. Hence, it can locate. Head comes before the p tag and it's not the parent or grandparent. Hence, using preceding, it can locate the head tag. Even title we can locate. Title is not directly any parent or grandparent and it's coming before the starting of the p tag. Hence, title also can be located. Now clear? Everyone clear with this? Before this p tag, it can locate all the tags except the parent and grandparent tags. Here, head is not the parent tag or grandparent tag. Title is not the parent tag and not the grandparent tag. Hence, it can locate head and title with the help of preceding. because for P, they are not the parents or grandparents. Coming to the body, it cannot locate. Even though body is coming before P, it cannot locate body because body is a parent tag. It cannot locate HTML because HTML is the grandparent of the P tag. Even though it's coming
Arun,
before, it cannot locate. Yeah.
Arun, here we can say like children and grandchildren of ancestor or parents can be identified using preceding, right? Children
Uh,
and grandchildren of ancestors and parents can be identified.
yeah. Yeah, it may be. We
Hmm.
can say like that. That's okay. Correct.
Okay,
Anything will
okay.
be either, even here you see siblings also are coming, right? For example, if you go in that reverse direction, okay. Here head is a sibling of the body. You cannot say children and grandchildren of the parent and grand, you know, that will be a
Okay.
different, for example, if you give the definition for that you're trying, that there is a loophole in that. For example, for P, children of the grandparent means body will come. It will not locate, right?
Okay.
That's the wrong statement. In that case, your statement is wrong. Simple way to
Okay. Okay.
remember this is anything that comes before this particular tag, and that tag should not be either the parent or grandparent, it will locate in simple
Okay.
words. Okay?
Okay.
If you remember like that, then it finds.
Parent and grandparent is a bit easy to understand.
Yeah, parent and grandparent is bit easy to understand because
Okay.
P tag, for the P tag, body is the parent, so we cannot locate the parent with the help of preceding. And HTML is a grandparent, so we cannot locate with the help of this P tag this HTML. Where is HTML? HTML. Okay, because it's a grandparent.
Basically
Remaining
it should
also
not,
we can
not be
locate.
the part.
Yeah.
Sir. Basically, it should not be the part of that family, right? Other than
Yes.
like that.
Basically, other things will not be part of the family, right? But coming to this head tag, when you see the relation between the P and head, yeah, if you compare with your family, let's say your grandfather is there, grandfather has two children, okay, this another child, this another child. You are the child of your father, and your father has a brother, let's say, okay. So that brother is head here. So using this P preceding brother related stuff, you can, what do you call that? Not direct father, but like elder of your father or younger of your father, whatever it is, okay, and their children you can locate. Okay, got it? In simple words, that is the thing I can not yeah, aunt we can say, uncle I don't know, like we don't get uncle kind of example here. So we cannot say uncle here, like I know in Telugu, but in English, what do you call, guys? Okay, what do we call in English, like father's brother or younger brother or elder brother, what we call in English? Anyone have the idea? Big father or no, uncle we call generally. You guys call uncle? Father's brother. Okay, fine. Okay. In Telugu, if you say, we call babaya or something, okay. And father's brother, bigger elder brother, we call pedanana or something. But I don't know in English. I am not that much. Okay. Yes. Father's or mother's brother is uncle. Fine. Okay. Fine. Let's see. Let's find it out. Otherwise, we have Chat GPT, right? Father's brother is generally called as uncle. Yeah, uncle only. Okay, we can call it uncle, but maybe, yeah, that's correct, guys. You mentioned right it. Okay, in the right way. Yeah, paternal uncle is a perfect word, I can say. Okay, it's a paternal uncle. But don't dig deep there, guys. Simple words. Again, simple way you try to understand. So before explaining that, but Anil is asking me, but how head locates? Is Anil? Can you tell me now? Is head the direct parent of the P tag? Don't worry about paternal and all those stuff. Okay. Okay. Is head the Direct parent? Are you direct child of this head? No, right? Now that not the direct child, and this title is like not your direct brother, cousin brother, I think so we say, right? Cousins we say. Our fathers, brothers or sisters, children. Such kind of things we can locate. Clear, clear, Anil? Now it's clear for you how we are able to locate head and title is clear. They are not direct parent or grandparent of yours. Okay, a different branch altogether. Fine. Then you can locate. So that is preceding, very too complex, things that you have to remember following and preceding that you have to remember, guys. Every time you go with XPath expressions, try to remember this. And when I started my journey, it was not easy for me to understand this following preceding. Okay, it took a lot of time. You see, for explaining only this much effort I have to put. For understanding for the beginning case, how much efforts I would have to put, right? So that is a confusion. Then we have following sibling. Then we have following sibling. Today I'll take till 8:15, guys, because I started 10 minutes late. Okay. So I'll take the session till 8:15. Just be with me. Okay. Is that fine? Is that fine, guys? Because my system didn't start in the mornings due to some reasons. Okay.
I have another lecture to attend.
You have another what?
I have another lectures to attend, so I cannot continue till later.
Okay, fine,
Sure.
fine. Okay, fine, no problem. So these things are very easy. Let me cover it, wrap it up very fast. Okay. So if you talk about parent, it is very simple and easy, guys. For example, here /p. Okay, I'll cover these remaining things fast. Okay, parent is there. Okay, parent sibling. Who is the parent of the P? Tell me directly in the chat box. Faster way. Who is the parent of P? Body, right? If I say body, it will locate body. It can locate body because body is the parent of the P. Again, if I say /parent, : who is the parent of the body? HTML. Who is the parent of the body? HTML. So HTML it can locate. Like this we can locate. Okay, that is a parent. Now the reverse way we can go. Child XPath Axes. /HTML. If I want to locate the child of the HTMLs, child : can I give head here? Yes, head is one of the child of HTML. And /child : can I say title? I can locate head's title, head's child is title. Similarly, we can go like this. HTML / child : body. Can I locate? Yes. /child : P. Can I locate? Yes. For body, P is a child. 6 children. P of 1, if you say, first paragraph tag will come. This is parent and child XPath Axes. Now we have one more level. One more level is child is over, parent is over. Okay, here child is over, parent is over. Then we have ancestor and descendant, which are easy ones. Okay, ancestor and descendant, which are easy ones. Let me cover that. Ancestor means directly you can jump. For example, /p / ancestor : if I say HTML, can I locate? Is HTML is ancestor or not, grandparent or not? Okay, what if I say body? Ancestor, it also is a parent. Okay, it may not be the grandparent, it can be parent. I can locate that. Okay, if I directly want to jump, not from body to HTML, instead of going that directly, I can go to HTML with the help of ancestor. But with parent, can I locate HTML with parent? P's parent is HTML. Can I say? No. In this case, only ancestor will work, right? In this case, only ancestor will work. From P directly to, we are surpassing the parent and parent's parent you are going. In that case, you have to use ancestor. Or if you want to go to parent also, you can use ancestor. But there is a separate XPath Axes for parent. Either instead of ancestor, you can use parent or ancestor here. Direct immediate parent means. But coming to the reverse case, /HTML / descendant. That means grandchild : P. Can I do that? Is P is the grandchild of the HTML? Yes, so I can locate. What about body? I can locate because it can be child or grandchild with case of descendant. But if I say child means Body will be located because body is the immediate child of HTML. But if I say P means it will not locate. Because P is not the immediate child of the HTML, it is a grandchild. In this case, we have to use descendant only. Okay, clear? Clear so far? Very simple things. If you understand the relations, you can understand them easily. Most of the things I already completed. The remaining things are preceding sibling and following sibling. Only two remaining things that I'll cover in a minute now. Okay, that will not take much time. So sibling I'll cover here, sibling and preceding sibling. For example, here I locate something. /p @ID is equal to para 3. Para 3 I'll take. /p @ID is equal to para 3. Is it locating this paragraph, guys? Is it locating this paragraph? Yes. Now, if I want to locate the preceding sibling, the sibling which is coming before this p tag, there are two siblings here, right? Can you see the two siblings here? Preceding siblings. So for that, preceding hyphen sibling colon. If I say p, how many siblings are getting located here? Before this p tag, how many siblings are there? Two. Two are getting one of two. You see? If I say one, it's locating the immediate preceding sibling. For this one, this is the immediate preceding sibling. If I say two, next immediate preceding sibling it will go. Okay. Now, there is reverse thing like following sibling. Following sibling of P. For this para, how many following siblings are there? 1, 2, 3, three following siblings. You see, three are getting located. If I say P of 1, immediate following sibling. If I say P of 2, next immediate following sibling. P of 3, the next immediate following sibling will be located. Clear? Clear with all these XPath axes. The important ones are, the confusing ones are following and preceding. Remaining all, following sibling, preceding sibling, parent, child, ancestor, descendant are very easy. You can practice that. Okay. So guys, for today I am done. For today, for training, if you have any other stuff, you can leave. That's okay. Okay. Whatever the XPath axis I want to explain, I covered here today. So because of this XPath axis, we can locate almost all elements because we are traversing in all the both the directions. Okay. We are traversing in both the directions or not. Like this, we are traversing, and like this, we are traversing. Right? From grandparent to grandchild, we are able to go. From grandchild to grandparent, we are able to go. Right or wrong? If you have to locate an element with the help of other element, it can be with the help of grandchild, we can locate that, or with the help of grandparent, we can locate that. Traversing in both the directions is possible only with the help of XPath expressions. That's why XPath expressions are powerful of all the locators we have. If no other locators can locate the elements, then final saviors are who? Who are the final saviors? If no other locator is able to locate the element, who are the final saviors? XPath expressions are the final XPath expressions are the final saviors in the locators because of a concept known as XPath axis. Because of a concept known as XPath axis, they are the final saviors. Fine. It's access. It's not axis. It's access. Okay. People, you have to remember. I just get confused sometimes. I write AXIS. It's not AS. AXIS, it's AXES, access, XPath axis. Okay. Everyone type XPath axis. Everyone type XPath axis in the chat box, in the correct spelling and all. Yeah. Because of this XPath axis, we can traverse down, we can traverse up. If you are not able to locate the element directly with the help of its parent, grandparent, child, grandchild, elder sibling, younger sibling, you can locate the elements with the help of XPath axis of XPath expressions, and because of which almost all elements can be located. If you are unable to locate the element directly with the help of its family elements, we can locate in all the directions. Okay. So that's all the topic that I wanted to cover today. But if you have any questions from these topics or behind these topics, you can ask me now. Okay. The teaching wise I completed, but the remaining thing is all about the questions. Okay.
Arun,
Yes.
I have one question related to the XPath. Go to the Amazon and I want to select without searching any product. I want to select only one product.
Amazon.
Yeah. On home page, scroll down.
Okay.
Yeah, I want to select this coins.
These coins. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
So I'll inspect this. The requirement is that in real time, what I'll do, I'll inspect that element, right?
Mm-hmm.
Suppose if I want to locate this, I'll try to create a proper XPath expression, right?
Yeah, yeah.
To locate this, I'll first figure out whether there is a directly for this particular thing, can I create a proper direct XPath or not is the first thing that I will do. Okay. So I'll just investigate this image alt. Okay. So what is this? Arun, Raj, Sophia, beginner set, second stage, set of 5, brown coin, all some alt text is there for the image. I'll take the help of the alt text. Control F, /img alt is equal to, okay. Am I locating directly?
Without using alt, there
Yeah.
is separate
Now
way.
I'll come to that picture. For example,
Yeah.
you have not found a proper XPath to locate this element. That is the situation that you are asking me, right? If in that case, I have many situations now. I can use a parent to locate this one, right? Or if there is a child for this, there is no child. For image tag, do you see any child or grandchild? No. Only parent, grandparents are there. Either with help of this particular tags, parent or grandparents, I can locate. Or are there any siblings for this? Are there any siblings for this? Under the A tag,
No.
this only element. There are no siblings. I cannot use preceding sibling, following sibling. I cannot use. I cannot use this what you call child or descendant. I cannot use because it doesn't have any kind of. Only the things that I can use is 4x XPath Axes only I can use. That is preceding. I can use following some other element I will take, and following I can use, or parent or grandchild, parent or ancestor. 4 XPath Axes I can use. Remaining all I cannot use. Siblings I cannot use, and what do you call child or descendant I cannot use. That is clear for you?
Yes, sir.
Now what I will do is I will try to locate. For example, I'm not able to create a proper XPath. Assume that, okay, this kind of XPath I'm not able to create. Instead of that, I'll go with this parent. Okay, I'll go with the parent, and you see that parent has any proper thing here. There is a link actually, okay. So I don't know whether a link normal will work because a lot of classes having the same will be there. Okay, so what I will do here is I'll right click and say edit here, edit attribute. So I'll copy this thing. There's no other way because this is that much big. So here, what I will do is /a href only, right? Href is equal to, I'll give like this. And I'll say I located this parent of this image because I'm not able to directly locate this image. So I located the parent of the image, and I'll simply say /child : img. Like this, I'll locate. This is a XPath axis I have used. But this is optional, guys. Okay. If it is a child, you don't have to even mention this, right? Directly img I can use. Right? But if this is optional in this case, okay? This is optional. Understood?
Yeah.
Like that, you can use any other stuff, okay? Like I have used, parent. You can also use grandparent somewhere. If I don't feel that this A is also not looking this much big XPath access, right? So what I'll do here, I'll go to any of this grandparent which has some, I'll keep on going and try to find something, let's say this card instance, something is there. So div, definitely it's going to be some grandparent somewhere. /div @ID is equal to, I'll give something like this, /descendant, colon. What was the tag name? IMG, right? IMG. Lot of IMGs will come. That's the problem here. Okay. Lot of IMGs will come. This is, coin is coming. Then IMG of 1, I'll say. The coin is coming. IMG of 2, I'll say. The next one is coming. IMG of 3, I'll say. This is coming. Locating or not? Using descendant. Okay. Clear? Clear with this?
సార్
Yeah.
మీరు ఒక ఇమేజ్ యూజ్ చేశారు కదా ఐఎంజి క్లాస్ ఉన్నప్పుడు క్లాస్ యూజ్ చేసుకొని చేయొచ్చు కదా
I didn't get that. Come again.
అక్కడ ఐఎంజి ట్యాగ్ నేమ్ యూజ్ చేశారు కదా సార్ క్లాస్ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఐఎంజి యూజ్ చేయొచ్చా లేకుంటే ఫస్ట్ ప్రిఫరెన్స్ దేనికి ఇస్తారు
In this tag.
ఎస్ సార్ క్లాస్ తీసుకోవచ్చు కదా క్లాస్ ఫస్ట్ ప్రిఫరెన్స్ ఇస్తారా ఐఎంజి ట్యాగ్ నేమ్ కి ఫస్ట్ ప్రిఫరెన్స్ ఇస్తారా సార్
So
Okay,
if you go,
attribute.
if you your
Alter.
question is whether you have to go with the IMG thing or you have to go with the class thing. You mean to ask me that, right? So
yes sir
coming
alter class yes
yeah, alt or class is a question, right? But
Yes,
why
sir.
I'm not taking class is there is a high possibility that this is a generic class. If you go to any other product here, a different product you go somewhere here, you will see the element, right? This also may have the same product. You see, class is duplicated.
yes.
You see that? That's the reason. With my experience, I can say that /# @class is equal to product hyphen image. Most of the there are 123 images on this page having the same attribute value. Can I take that then? Or can I do one thing? I can do one thing. I can provide circular brackets surrounding this, and then I have to sort it out. Okay, this is another way. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. I have to keep on going and until I find that coin thing. Okay, understood? Why I didn't use class?
Yes sir.
Okay. Any other questions, guys?
I have another question, Arun.
Yeah.
What is meant by this li tag?
What is mean by
Li tag.
elitated means? Li tag. Li tag.
Li tag. Yeah.
Li means list. Okay. So for example, I'll take you to this application. I'll show you this list. There are two types of list, order list and unordered list, right? So if you know the HTML, inspect this. And if you know the HTML that I covered, maybe you have not attended that session. So
Yeah.
okay. Order list is there, OL. Order list means there will be numbers 1, 2, 3. Order will be there. Okay, order will be preserved. Under the order list, you can have any number of li tags. First list item 1, second list item, third list item, fourth list, fifth list. And similarly, we have unordered list where you don't need any particular order. For example, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 need some order. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, such kind of items need the order. In that case, we'll go with the OL tags in HTML. And in that, Monday will specify in first LI, Tuesday will specify in second LI, like that, and go on. Okay. But coming to this different colors or different fruits here, do I have to maintain any order? No, right?
No.
So for that, I can go with the unordered list. Unordered list means instead of OL, it will be UL. UL means unordered list. In that also, list elements will be there. Okay, like this. Understood?
Okay. Yeah, understood.
That's what is a li tag. Okay. So any other questions, guys? You can ask me, guys. Any basic questions also you can ask me. No problem. I am ready to explain everything to you. Guys, any other questions you have?
Sir, I'm facing a little bit confusion with the following, sir.
Following. Yeah, I'll cover that. No problem. So I'll take you to this application again. Let me go back. Open this file. Now focus only on this, guys. Okay. So for example, Control F, /P. One more example I'll give. @ID is equal to para3. Now if I say /following, : can you understand till here what it is locating? The one who is not understanding?
Yes, sir.
Shashank, right? Shashank. Yeah,
Yes,
Shashank, you
paragraph
just
3.
communicate with me so that I can help you in understanding. So when I write /P @ID is equal to para3 means it is locating the third paragraph, right?
Yes, sir.
So third paragraph it is looking. Now if I write slash following colon 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 colon, what it can locate following. So following means after this located element, this is a located element, right? Where is this located element ending? Here, slash p, right or wrong?
Oh, yes, sir.
After the slash p, whatever the elements that come up, that elements can be only located. After the ending of this element, after the ending of this particular element, whatever the elements comes, there are 3 paragraphs that can be located, right or wrong?
Okay, sir.
Body is not coming after this p tag. Body is starting here. So after this p tag, is the body coming?
Yes.
Yes or no? After this p
Yes,
tag,
sir.
is the body coming?
Yes, sir.
How can you say body is coming
No,
there?
no, sir. I'm saying that after para 3, if body is coming,
No, no, no.
not coming.
Just see this HTML code and tell me. In this HTML code, at the end of this particular paragraph, do
Para
you see
4 coming,
body
para
tag
5,
starting
para
anywhere?
6.
Do you see any body tag starting anywhere?
No, sir.
Can I locate body then?
No, sir.
Okay, that's fine. After the end of this paragraph tag, is any HTML tag starting?
Not starting.
So it will not locate. Following will not work. Following will only work with the elements or the HTML tags which are starting after the ending of this particular element, whatever the element that you have written before the following, right? After this element, this is locating this element. After the end of that tag, that element or tag slash p is the ending. After this, whatever the elements are coming are these 3 elements only, right? This paragraph,
Yes,
this
sir.
paragraph, this paragraph. Any of that paragraph it can locate. If I normally say p means 3 elements will be located. After this p tag, how many paragraphs are there? 1, 2, 3.
2.
1 of 3 are
Yes,
got
sir.
located. Okay. If I give p of 1 means
Para 4.
only the first one. First paragraph after following this ending of the paragraph tag will be located. That's how the following works. Now I'll take one more example for you make to understand. If I say /HTML /following colon, can I locate any head or body or this paragraph? Anything? Can I locate anything?
No,
Just
sir.
think and tell me why.
Following is used after the closing of HTML.
After the closing of HTML, do you see any element starting?
No, sir.
Then I cannot locate anything. If whether I write head, it will not locate. Okay. Whether I write body, it will not locate. Whether I write p, it will not locate because at the end of the HTML tag, no other tags are there. So it's not possible. Now I'll go to the head tag, let's say head tag. Okay. Now in the head tag, if I say /following colon, can I locate title?
No, sir.
Yes or no?
No.
No. Why? Because title
For
is not after the head tag.
head. Yes, sir.
Title should
Closing
come.
of head.
Title is not coming. So if I write title, it will not locate. But can I locate body tag? Can I locate body tag?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Why? Body tag is coming after the ending of the head tag. So I can locate. Body tag can be located. Can I locate p tag?
Yes, sir.
Because p tag is coming after the slash head. So I can locate. Okay. All the 6 paragraph tags are getting located. If you want only one, p of 1 you give, it will go off. Okay. Only one paragraph got located now. Fine, guys. Clear? Now it's clear for you a bit?
Yes, sir. I
How it
understand.
locates?
Yes, sir.
This is how it locates. If I go to title tag, let's say, if I go to title tag and say /following, can it locate HTML tag?
No, sir.
No, because after the ending of the title tag, HTML is nowhere starting. HTML has started way before. So HTML will not work. Then what about the head tag? Can I locate the head tag?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Think and tell me.
Yes, sir.
At
After
the
the
end of the
closing of
title tag,
title,
at the end of
we
the
have
title
head.
tag, is the head tag starting?
Not starting.
Then how can it locate? You cannot locate head tag. Understood now?
This is my confusion. So this is
Yeah,
my
now it
confusion.
got cleared, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, at the end of the title tag, whatever the tags that are starting will be located. Okay, your head tag has started way before. Okay, so it will not locate.
Okay, sir.
If I say body, it will locate. Why? Because at the end of the title tag, body is
Body is
there
open.
starting.
Yes, sir.
Okay. P tag can be located. Okay. So this, I think I cleared your confusion. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, fine. Any other questions, guys? Guys, any other questions? So we are left out with some miscellaneous topic of XPath expressions that I'll cover tomorrow. Along with that, we'll start CSS selectors. To learn CSS selectors, you need to just differentiate XPath and CSS. That's it, okay? You're not going to learn CSS in depth like XPath we have done. It will not take much time, guys, okay? CSS will not take so much of time because you, with the knowledge that you already have with XPath expressions, you can easily, okay? You can easily learn CSS selectors, okay? If you have learned XPath expressions, CSS selectors is almost similar with some syntax changes. Only the thing is syntax changes that I'm going to cover tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow, we are going to go with CSS selectors. Clear, everyone? Is that fine? Okay, then. Any other questions you guys have? Guys, any other questions you have?
Hi, sir.
Yeah, hi.
This is my first session with you. So where do I start?
Okay, okay. So your name?
Abhinaya.
Abhinaya. Okay, Abhinaya, what we are doing is for now, just go with this. For now, what you can do is you can start with this XPath expressions, okay, that we started this week. Okay.
Okay.
I'll give you the entire plan, what to do and all.
Okay.
Just give me a second. So XPath have been started here. Yeah, here XPath expressions part 1 is there, na?
Yeah. Okay.
That is on March 4th we started. Okay.
Okay.
You start from March 4th for now. Okay. So there are like around how many sessions came actually? Four and fifth session, and today is sixth session. Total sixth one you attended. The previous 5 you have to go through. Okay.
Okay.
5 plus 1, 6 will happen. Then you will be able to complete the XPath expressions tomorrow. Before tomorrow, if you can complete these 5 sessions, right? Then you'll be able to easily understand the CSS selectors also. Okay. Maybe it will take 1 or 2 sessions, but you mostly complete that in 1 or 2 sessions. Okay. So
Yeah. Okay.
for understanding that 24th onwards, you have to start, right?
Yeah.
One minute. Where is that? Not that 24th actually. Fourth, I guess, right? Fourth, from 4th, not 24th. March 4th. Okay. You have to start from March 4th. And after that, what we are going to do here is this weekend, okay? Mostly by this weekend, we'll complete the CSS selectors, okay? So maybe tomorrow and day after tomorrow, we'll complete CSS selectors. And one more day is there for buffer where we'll practice whatever the knowledge we got on XPath and CSS, right? We'll practice on different applications that I'll do on 15th, okay? And 16th, 17th, we are conducting a crash course for the people who have joined recently, okay?
Okay.
Just as a part of revision for the existing people, or for the new guys, at a high level, we are just the 16th, 17th, you should not miss, Abhinaya, okay? Because 16th, 17th, what we are doing is we are almost taking 6+ hours of time on Saturday, 6+ hours of time on Sunday, okay? Starting from morning 7 a.m. Yeah, it will be more than 12 hours also, okay?
Okay.
The only intention is that in the 2 days, like a crash course will complete so that you will sync with the batch wherever we are, and you can continue with the sessions, and the previously covered session and details will be repeated for you in the next batch. Okay.
Yeah. Sure. Thank you.
So that way we are making the people sync with our current batch itself instead of waiting for the next batch. Okay. So you have to make sure you attend 16th and 17th sessions from morning 7 a.m. onwards. Okay.
Yeah. Sure. Thank you.
Clear now? For now, you focus on that March 4th onwards, you prepare that XPath things. Okay.
Yeah.
And be ready for the next 3 days. It will be okay. Tomorrow, before tomorrow, you just complete that March 4th to whatever today's session recordings. Okay, that will be done.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Welcome. Any other questions, guys? Any other questions? Guys, do you have any other questions?
హాయ్ సార్ ఒకసారి omeyos.spot.com ఉంది కదండి
Okay. Yeah, I'll go to there. Yeah, fine.
టెక్స్ట్ ఏరియా 2 కి ఒకసారి ఫాలోయింగ్ చెప్పరా సార్
Which one?
టెక్స్ట్ ఏరియా 2 కింద డౌన్ వెళ్ళండి సార్
This one.
యా ఫీల్డ్ 2
Okay, I'll tell you. For example, this is the text area field, right? So with the help of text area field, you want to locate the following elements. That's what is your requirement, right?
yes sir.
Yes. You see, I can, you see, this is a text area field. First of all, how do I create an XPath expression for this? There is no ID, there is no name, there is no class name, this is not a hyperlink or something. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just copy this text between the tags and say / text area. Okay, and text is equal to, I'll write like this first of all. Okay,
with the text method. Okay.
The text method I have to locate, but it's not locating. Just give me a second. I'll inspect this again. The cat was playing in the garden. There is some space or something, it seems. Text
Unable
area.
to find out using text method. We can directly use the link text method over.
No. / text area. It's locating two elements. First element is this. Second element, that is, first element is this one. Second element is this one. Okay. And I would like to take the text and I would like to find that, but somehow I'm not able to find. Text is equal to. If I'm not able to find, I'll go with another way where I'll simply say, instead of text is equal to, I'll say contains text function, comma, I'll give this and close the circular bracket. It's locating. Okay, maybe some text instead of text is equal to, contains is equal to is working. Okay, this part is clear now. So now using this, if I have to use / following : where the text area field is ending here, right?
Yes.
After this, whatever comes, whatever the tag is starting, for example, this div tag is starting here. Okay, if I want to locate this div tag, can I locate using following? Yes, I can locate div of 1. If I say, it will locate this one only. Okay, because at the end of the text area tags, any other tags that are starting, right, that can be located. That's what is the following all about.
Okay.
If you say div of 2, it will go with the next one. If you say div of 3, it will go with another one. Okay, div of 4, div of 5, keep on going. Div of 6, under this div, another div is that is coming as div of 6. Div of 7, this div will come. Div of 8, this will come. Div of 9, if I say, under this no div is there, so it will go to this div. Okay, and this div. Div of 10, this div it will go. Then div of 11, this will come. Div of 12, this div. Div of 13, this one will come, and keep going. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Any other questions, guys? And also, guys, if you can see here, we are, we are also working on the job direction to give you some job calls and all. Okay, so you see Shashank from our team has already started collecting your voting here. Okay, if you guys are ready, let's say you guys are joining, and if you guys are ready to attend the interviews, then select this option, guys. Okay, so that what Shashank will do is he will forward your resumes to the respective top MNC companies, and you are going to get calls from them. Okay, you are going to get calls from them. So this is, we are taking this very seriously. If you are not ready, don't worry guys, the time is there. When you are ready only you apply. Okay, if you are not ready, wait for my sessions to be completed, and then then we'll post this form again. After a while, we'll post this form again. Then you just go and apply, and then you will be getting the calls to attend some interviews from our side. Okay, is that fine, guys? Any confusions or anything on that, you can ask me. I'll be out. Yeah.
Arun, for that, how can I send you my resume?
Shashank has already gave you a form, right? You have to apply here.
Okay, yeah.
If you have to say I am ready, and then you have to go here and upload your details here. Okay. Abroad, we are still working, AB. We don't have anything abroad. In India, we have for now, but I'll check with my team like regarding any abroad related stuff. Okay. AB, we don't have anything abroad for now. Okay. In India, if you are from India, we are just doing this, and for abroad thing, we'll work on it. Okay. We'll take your feedback and work on it. Fine, guys. Any other questions on this? Okay, Vishwa is giving me demo QA text box. Okay, let's go to the demo QA text box in above page submit button. Yes, just give me a second. I'm just clicking on. I clicked on the link. The site is slow a bit. Yeah. Oh, again I clicked. Yeah. In this, you are talking about the submit button.
Yeah. I'm able to find XPath, but it is not clicking around. Sometimes one or like element interrupts had. Sometimes no such element.
Okay, we'll find it out. Okay, we'll find it out. Right click inspect. So you have a direct ID for that. So it's very easy, right? We can use the ID to locate this button. Okay, but you are not able to click on that, right? Sometimes.
Yes.
So let me open my Eclipse ID and showcase. Okay. Eclipse ID is launching. Which one? Launch. Okay. Just go to this project. Create a new class. Demo QA, right? Demo QA submit button. Submit button. And anyhow, you brought this to my notice, so I'll just try to. This is a demo website, right?
Yeah.
You can practice the stuff. So I'll put that into our weekend, weekend initiative that we have, where we, automate the live stuff. Okay. Future challenges. Future demo application for automation practice. Automation practice. Okay. Like this, we'll automate a lot of stuff. Okay. On the weekends. We have some fun time on weekends where we do that. Fine. Anyhow, come back here. Finish. Yeah. Then I'll write WebDriver. Driver is equal to new Chrome driver. Control Shift O. Then driver dot manage. Driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. Driver dot get. I have to provide the application URL. After I give the application URL, I simply have to come and click on next button. That's it, right?
Yeah.
Directly I can do, right?
Yeah, you can directly. Why? Because if you without entering also, if you click that button, errors will come. That won't be problem.
No problem, no problem. So dot click, we'll try it out and see what's happening in this case. Okay. Right click, run as Java application. Let the page load completely. Did it click or not is the question. We got an exception. What is that exception saying? Click element click intercepted exception is coming. The reason most probably is that this ads are coming in between, I guess, right? So I'll do something here. I'll take the help of JavaScript executor. JavaScript executor. C is equal to. I have to typecast the driver. Don't worry about what I am writing here. Over the mouse, create local variable. Don't remember. Have I done any mistake here? Import JavaScript executor came here. There is a mistake this side maybe. No. Yeah, driver only, right? WebDriver, it is asking me. The method is undefined for the type demo QA submit button. What is that? Yeah, sorry, new. I forgot the new keyword. I guess. No. I think this is the one I should typecast the driver with JavaScript executor. Okay, I forgot it seems. 1 minute. Right, correct. Sorry. I put the circles wrong. I provided circles to the driver, right? Yeah, you are right. In the chat box, this is correct. Nigora, you are right, correct. Then JSC dot execute script. And here I have to write the JavaScript code for scrolling the page. How to write the JavaScript code for scrolling the page? Let's say I would like to scroll to that particular button, okay? So JavaScript executor code for scrolling to an element in Selenium Java. If I write this, I'll just get some code here. I'll take that code. Okay, right here. This is the one. First, I have to create the web element. Already I created the web element, right? This is a web element, submit button. Put a semicolon here. Submit button is equal to create a web element for this. Copy this and provide that here. Okay, as an argument. And now say this one, if I have to refer, this is an argument of 0. Okay, it is an argument of 0, I guess. Arguments of zeros. Arguments of 0 means we are referring to the submit button. Then what we have to do? We have to scroll. For scroll into that, we have to use this line. Scroll into view. This is a JavaScript code. This is a JavaScript code. Scroll into view. Okay. Then after scrolling, then I want to click on the submit button. Then I would like to click on the submit button. Just I'm thinking by scrolling to that submit button, the ads, the ads will not block our clicking part. I'm just thinking in that direction. It may or may not work, but I'm trying my best. I'm trying to ideate to overcome that ads interfering my submit button. I'm changing the scrolling. I'm just scrolling the page so that submit button is visible, and then I'm performing the click operation. It may or may not work, but let's try. Okay, this website is coming with a lot of ads. Then does it click on the submit button? Looks like it has clicked. It is getting highlighted. Yeah, it got clicked this time. Right? Is that fine now? This is highlighted means it got clicked and you're not getting any exception.
Yeah.
Okay. This is how we have to write the code. If you want this code, I'll paste it. Here, group itself, I'll paste WhatsApp group. Okay. So people can take that. Yeah, I think that's clear. Any other stuff? Any other questions?
Thank you.
Yeah, welcome. Sometimes we have to apply different stuff to get the things done. Okay. There is no, I cannot say every time this logic will work. Sometimes we have to take another alternative path. This crawling also may not work. We have to go with other things. Okay. Now in this case, luckily we got the JavaScript executor. We have run the JavaScript to scroll the page, and scrolling of the page has, made the ads not disturb our clicking part, and we are able to click. Okay. Yeah. Any other questions, guys? Any other questions? Any other questions you guys have for me to explain?
Where I can learn the JavaScript.
Okay. So JavaScript you can learn on my YouTube channel. I have created a playlist. Okay. So you can learn there. To get started, you can learn all right. For that JavaScript is needed, right?
Yeah.
Going ahead, I'll also begin something, but currently I'm not getting time. So whatever the time, maybe in the coming future initiatives or something. But if you know Java, right, learning JavaScript is not that much difficult. Okay. Okay. So it almost syntax will, match. Few differences. Okay. Differences will be there. So, and the type of JavaScript that you want to learn also differs. Okay. Like programmatically, if you are learning JavaScript, it looks similar to Java, but other types, other ways of interacting with elements, HTML elements and all, if you are learning JavaScript, that is a different story altogether. Okay. But anyhow, since you asked me like where you can get started with learning JavaScript and all, I have a playlist with me that will help you to go to the next level for sure. Okay. So here we have a JavaScript control here. Otherwise, I'll say control here Java script. Okay, here JavaScript full course is there. There are 38 videos in this playlist. If you really need that and you are in a situation to learn that for your any other Cypress or whatever it is, just go and start learning from here. Okay. This is the playlist, JavaScript full course in my YouTube channel, PureFox. Fine. You can take a screenshot if you want. You want the URL? Yeah, I gave the URL. I pinged the URL in the chat box. You can take it from there. This is also works fine. Not okay. So one question I got today. Yeah. Any other questions, guys? Any other questions you have? Today's notes are again same. Assignments. Same thing I am going to, XPath Axes you practice today, okay? As I practice all XPath examples I have demonstrated as part of XPath Axes in today's session, okay? And recording will be uploaded soon. And once I upload, I'll share it here, okay? Fine, guys. Any other questions? Final call. Anyone have any other questions you have? Otherwise, just type C in the chat box if you are clear so far and don't have any questions. Just type C or thank you or whatever you want. Yeah, welcome guys, welcome. See you tomorrow where we'll start with CSS selectors and remaining portion of XPath and that miscellaneous stuff, and we'll directly go to the, now you are an expert in XPath expressions, okay? So we'll go to the CSS and we'll try to complete by the end of this weekend. And weekend we'll have a crash course for the people who want to revise. Okay then, bye everyone. See you tomorrow morning. Bye guys.